Hey guys, I am very excited to review for you today the Dr. Pen M7S microneedling pen. In this video, I will show you how to use it, get into all the different features so you can decide whether or not this is the pen for you. I'm a big fan of the Dr. Pen microneedling pens, and this one is no exception. Now, the first thing we are going to do on our packaging box, let's go ahead and confirm that this is an authentic device. So I'm scratching off the QR code. Voila, right there. So let's make sure that it is authentic. Always important to do. Voila, it is authentic. Pulls it up right on Dr. Pen's website. Really easy. So now that we have that peace of mind, let's go ahead and pull out everything in the set. I think the packaging is very elegant. And here, we're going to find our lovely pen. Voila. Everything else down here, we've got our user manual. We also have our charging cable. So you'll just plug in the USB right here. I love how we also have the adapter included. It charges pretty quickly and has a very long lasting battery life, which I appreciate. Thankfully, never had a Dr. Pen die on me during use, and it's super easy to charge. And down here, we've got two of our cartridges, but in our other box, we're gonna find all of the other ones. In total, you have got 20 cartridges, at least right here, but you do have the 2 extra that come with the pen itself. So we basically get 22, which will serve you well. I personally like microneedling around every 2 weeks. So this will get you through quite a bit before you need to get more. And the ones that come with this set, we've got the R Nano and the 16 needles. So let's go ahead and get started. Grab out our pen. So I'm gonna be doing just my forehead today, keeping it simple. I have thoroughly cleaned and sterilized the area, so we are ready to go. Now here's a closer look at our pen. I love how professional the device is. It can be used both at home and for more professional use, and it gives us a lot of adjustability too. So we're gonna go ahead and open one of our cartridges here. I'm gonna show you what the device looks like in action. All right, cartridge. Pop it onto your Dr. Pen. Make sure you've got it secure in place. I just twisted it on. And then here's our top. We're going to remove that. And it's going to be hard to see because they're so tiny, but we've got our 16 needles down there. And I will say I'm someone who is a little bit newer to microneedling. If you're a bit intimidated like I was, don't be. It honestly couldn't be easier. Just make sure that you're starting with a clean face wherever you're going to use it. Attach your cartridge. Now we're going to come to this button right here. Long press, and you can adjust your speeds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then back to 1. I like using 1, maybe 2 on my forehead, and you can kind of adjust depending on where you're using it. And now what you're also going to want to do, let me turn it off real quick, is adjust your needle depth. Now this is one of those things I think is kind of cool because it makes it more professional as well as more at-home friendly. So it is currently at 0. Hopefully you can kind of see it in camera well enough. Yeah, there we go. So you're just going to twist it to adjust it to 0.25, 0.5, and then we have 0.75. Literally it goes all the way up to 2.5. I personally don't go above 0.5. Anything above 1 for sure is probably going to be more of a professional, not at home thing. So don't go too deep. I'm gonna just do 0.25 right now. I usually add a numbing something or another like lidocaine before I use this, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not doing today. So we're gonna see how that goes. But we're gonna do a speed of 1, 0.25. Again, area is clean, and we're just going to get right to it. It does this really cool stamping motion. Bring it around, and I'm gonna work in sections. So I'm starting horizontally, bringing it all the way down my whole forehead. And I'm just starting with the right hand side for now. And I go over each section 3 different times. So we just did horizontally. Now we're going to do vertically. And I absolutely did jump the gun because I forgot one other thing. To allow the device to glide, I was like, why is it not gliding? Oh, I forgot something. Pure hyaluronic acid. I apply it fairly liberally to whatever area you are going to use because you don't want it to drag uncomfortably. You want it to glide. All right, that's gonna work a lot better now. So clean, numb if you want, and then hyaluronic acid. All right, back to it. Much smoother. Okay, so we're going vertically. Basically, we want to create lots of channels. We want to make sure no area gets missed. That's why I go over it 3 separate times in 3 different directions. And now lastly, we are going to do diagonal, just like that. And We're officially finished on that side of my forehead. You can definitely tell that we have not touched over here yet. Add a bit more of my hyaluronic acid. All right, and yet again, we're gonna do horizontal, then vertical, and then diagonal. I will say it actually doesn't feel too much different without the numbing, but I've also become a bit more used to it. It always makes me sneeze, I don't know why. Now vertical. And finally our diagonal. And voila, nice and easy. Honestly, doesn't take very long. Obviously, my skin isn't too happy right now. I usually do this at night, and then when I wake up, the redness goes down a lot. I do also finish with some hyaluronic acid, by the way, and I avoid active ingredients like retinol, AHA. Keep it very, very simple. Very simple moisturizers. Stick with the hyaluronic acid. Because the way this works is it's essentially creating this little micro injuries in your skin to prompt it to rejuvenate and come back more beautiful than ever. But we have to treat it the way you would treat injured skin, essentially, because we just punctured it. So we have to be nice to it. But it's really easy. I find that the redness goes down a lot within 2 days. I try to do it when I am not doing too much out of the house, at least for the next day, and then usually by the second day the redness is all but gone. And then a few days after that, at least within a week, I start to see that my skin is glowing a lot more. I do have some makeup on, but honestly I have loved microneedling. I would highly recommend this device. The Dr. Pen is definitely one of the best, and you get so many cartridges, lots of adjustability with the speed and the depth. Again, I would recommend not going too deep. Definitely avoid going above 1 unless you're a professional. I am not. And then with the right before and after care, super simple. Again, it's got a nice long lasting battery life. So I would just personally charge this, charges quickly, tuck it away, use it again in a week or 2. And yeah, honestly, couldn't be easier. Give the Dr. Pen M7S a try and hope you love it just as much as I do.